Okay guys, let's solve this mixed number with adding fractions of mixed number na hindi parehas yung denominator. 2 and 1/5 plus 1 and 1/4. So meron tayong rules dito. May option 1 ako ipapakita sa inyo na technique kung paano isolve at option 2. Piliin nyo na lang po kung ano yung mas madali sa inyo. Kailangan i-minimize nyo yung time nyo sa civil service. Kailangan mabilis. Speed time ang kailangan natin sa civil service. So, option 1. Ang option 1 ay kailangan mong i-convert it into improper fraction. So, pag sinasabing improper fraction, mas malaki yung numerator kaysa denominator. So, yan. Convert it into improper fractions. So, paano ba mag-convert? So, ganito guys. 5 times 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 5 times 2, 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5. Plus, sabi ko kanina, mas malaki yung numerator kaysa denominator. Improper. Convert it into improper fractions. So, next, 1 and 1/4. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So, 5 over 4. So, yan. Improper fraction din to. 5 over 4. So, what you're going to do, next rule is get the LCD or least common denominator. So, ano ang least common denominator nito? 11 over 5 plus 5 over 4. Pwede nyo nang i-multiply itong denominator ng 5 times 4, 20. Or kung gusto nyo naman, yung itong pinakamaliit na denominator, 5 over 4, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, hanggang makahanap kayo ng number na pwede dito. Pero ang mas mabilis ay multiply nyo na ito, tignan nyo kung pwedeng mai-divide na. So 5 times 4, 20. So 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 11 divided by 5 times 11 is 44. Tama po ba? Yan. So 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 11 is 44. Plus 20 divided by 4 is 5 plus 5 is 10. Or, sorry. 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 5 is 25. Ayan. So, paano nakuha itong 44 saka 25? 20 divided by 4 is 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 11 is 44. 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 5 is 25. So, i-add lang natin yan guys. So, we have 69 over 20. So, meron na tayong 69 over 20. So, next rule is convert them back into improper fraction. Convert them back into improper fraction. Ayan. I-convert daw natin tong 69 over 20. So, pag i-divide natin yan, guys, so, 69 divided by 20, 69 divided by 20 is 3 times 20, that is 60, that is 9. So, may remainder tayong 9. So, 3 over 3 and 9 over 20. Ito na po yung sagot natin. Hindi na ito ma-simplify sa lowest term. So, this is our final answer. So, ayun. First option, ayan po. Ang first rule natin, lagi niyong tatandaan, convert it into improper fractions. So, ibig sabihin, i-convert natin to 5 times 2, 10 plus 1, 11 over 5 plus 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. So, next rule, get the LCD. So, i-multiply nyo lang itong 5 times 4, 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 11 is 44. So, 20 divided by 4, that is 5, times 5 is 25. So, i-add lang natin to 44 plus 25, 69 over 20. So, next rule is convert them back into improper fractions. So, itong 69 over 20, convert natin, mixed number. Sorry. Convert them back to mixed fractions. So, i-convert daw natin itong improper fraction na 69 over 20 sa mixed number. So, 3 and 9 over 20. So, option 2. Pero para sa akin kasi guys, mas pipiliin ko yung option 2 kasi mas mabilis yung option 2. Okay? Ang option 2, ganito. 2 and 1/5 plus 1 and 1/4. Parang ito yung mabilis. Shortcut itong option 2. Ang option 2, makikita nyo dito sa gilid may whole number. So, i-add nyo na tong whole number na to. 2 plus 1 is 3. Ilagay nyo muna dito sa gilid. 3. So, next. Kunin nyo ulit yung LCD nito. So, 5 over 4 is 20. Okay? So, 20. Kukunin natin to. So, tinabi na natin yung whole number. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, LCD ulit. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Tama? 20 divided by 5 is 4. Times 1 is 4. Plus 20 divided by 4 is 5. Times 1 is 5. So, i-add na natin to. Ilalagay na natin sa tabi ng 3. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 5 is 9 over 20. So, ayan. So, guys, mas mabilis tong option 2 kung i-minimize yung oras nyo. Kailangan mabilis kayo. Option 2. Pero, nasa inyo kung gusto nyo din piliin itong traditional, itong option 1, pwede din naman. The same lang po yung sagot. Pag-a-arrive din po kayo ng 3 over 9 over 20. Ayan, guys. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Kung hindi nyo pa naintindihan, pwede nyo pang balik-balikan itong video na to at mag-subscribe na rin kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe para sa next na video ay manonotify kayo. Hit the bell para manonotify kayo kung mag-upload ako ng next ulit na quick quiz. Okay. Marami akong i-upload na quick quiz. Dito pa lang is adding of fractions, mixed number, na iba yung denominator. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. God bless.